It was worth it.
This wasn't only a makeover. This was an experience.
Not being able to trust because of what I've been through. So that I feel like that's baggage because my memories just come with me, my bad times and it stops me from moving on. Feel me?
I know she got problems.
I do.
I think I might solve them.
Yeah, that's baggage.
I promise no drama. Promise. She hopes that I got her.
That's fine.
I know she got problems. I think I might solve them. I promise no drama. Promise. She hopes that I got her. Yo, I wrote this song for you. My bad, I got news. Don't act so brand new. Girl, if only you knew, yeah. Your ex ain't got a clue. Yeah, he sleep, that boy snoozing. You know just what to do. He trippin', he can't walk in your shoes. Yeah, open your eyes, what you got to lose. Yeah, you too wise to play by them rules. Your rule, and you a diamond, that's the truth. Ain't got shit to prove. Ain't got shit to prove.
Feel me?
I know she got problems.
I do.
I think I might solve them.
Yeah, that's baggage.
I promise no drama. Promise. She hopes that I got her.
That's fine.
I know she got problems. I think I might solve them. I promise no drama. Promise. She hopes that I got her. Hey. Right, girl, the wrong place. That was just a phase. He's still stuck in his ways. With me, you'll be safe. Sabase, nabule. I know just what to say. No games, I don't play. Your baggage, a lot of weight. Yeah, when shit hit the fan, I don't run away. You know that's a chance that I'm gonna take. Never lie right to your face. Ain't got time to waste, yeah. Ain't got time to waste, yeah. I know she got problems. I know. I think I might solve them. I promise no drama. I promise no. She hopes that I got her.
That's fine.
I know she got problems. I know. I think I might solve them. I think I might. I promise no drama. I promise no. She hopes that I got her.
Not being able to trust because of what I've been through. So that I feel like that's baggage because my memories just come with me, my bad times and it stops me from moving on. Feel me?
I do.
Yeah, that's baggage.
That's fine.
But is that the word you're looking for?
It is. Just give me a mean title.
So what?
So what are we?
You tell me.
I'm asking you because you couldn't answer it.
Now she gon' ask. She gon' ask. What are we? Hey. Yo. How many you let call you wifey? How many niggas you met like me? Yeah. How many hoes I let one night me? Well, I lost count of the hoes I dogged out. Yeah, you ask questions, you know you don't want them answers. Hey, you so cautious, you know I'ma take those chances. You romantic, I never plan shit. You can't stand it. Yeah, ay. Them other niggas playin'. You don't go with the flow. To you it's overrated. Yeah. That ain't enough for you. Yeah. That's why I fuck with you. Now she gon' ask. She gon' ask. What are we? Hey. Now she gon' ask. She gon' ask. What are we?
Right, exactly.
Why?
You don't have to answer.
Because I want to hear it from your mouth.
Right, allegedly.
Not allegedly, I want to know.
And the makeup is done the same. I love it. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Very nice. Oh my gosh. It looks so real. I can't stop looking in the mirror. Wow. And this is the style that I like. And to get it like this, you know how many wigs I've gone through just to have it perfectly like this? The back is flat strips, you know, just put all these gels just to stay beautiful.